The new bridge, 20-footer, screwed up posts. But we're going across. We're going to be the first people to cross the new bridge. Woo! We are somewhere in the middle of Great Seneca State Park for the new connector route between the Seneca Farm Trails, Black Rock Mill, and 118. And there's the bridge as we come down the hill. Just imagine if you're on your mountain bike and you're bouncing back and forth, boom, 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 down up onto this rock solid bridge. It'll be here for years. Notice I'm going to kick the horse rail there so the hooves won't slide off. Somebody's forgetting their shirt. Who is the wiener of the shirt? So can you hold it up so I can get the words? All right, well, we'll get the words there. I'm Mr. Bob. I want you more.
Oh.
There it is. Zoom in on it. That's what we're here for. All right, bye-bye, bridge. Welcome to the neighborhood.
I want it on the file. All of it together in one spot.
Oh, so the work is not done. Sure would be better if each of you took an end. Evidence. All right, until the next bridge. This is a bridge very near as opposed to the first one we built, which was the bridge too far. Bye-bye.